So check it out. We're going to do a quick review of this SYX Moto kids dirt bike, 50cc, gas powered. You see it right there. Boom. Dirt bike right there. Let's see. 24.9 miles per hour max speed, 2-level speed governor, has a kill switch on it, front and rear brake disc. Right. Boom. Boom. So as you can see, it's on Amazon. Size right there is 5 foot. Kind of another little picture there. You can see you can get this for $3.59. So not really expensive, kind of cheap. See, is there any other information we need? That's probably all the info you got. So you see right here, you got you can get gloves, helmet. I started to get these training wheels because I have a 7-year-old. His auntie bought him this for Christmas, so I didn't know how that was gonna work for him, but it actually worked out pretty well. Super easy to do gas. You just cart, fill the gas up to that line, and then there's a little line right there for oil. That's the oil we're gonna use. Let's see what I did. So, got the gas right at the gas line. We'll add. Here's the oil. Add that in. That right up to about there. Boom. So we add our oil in. See, it turns that blue color. Tap on it, shake it. Mix it up. So super easy to build. Just showed you how to mix up the gas. Put the gas at right here. Put the gas up there. Throw those on there. Reveal.
My heart is pumping.
Alright, guys, get up. Got it all nice and together. One thing left is to crank it up. Here, hold my camera. Let me crank. You got me?
Yeah, I got you.
And adjust the little knob right here. It's like an old school lawnmower. As you say, we're happy with the product. Got them, there you go. You know what I'm saying? Easy to maintain, easy to set up and get going. Get your gas in there. He's having a blast, so recommend it, man. I recommend it. Recommend it for all the little kids. Now I gotta find a bigger one for the big kid and for myself, maybe even that. But that's it for now, man. Y'all be blessed.